Okay, so I've had a couple of people online direct message me about a few issues that are happening because of the coronavirus. So one of the things that I've been asked about is weddings. A lot of weddings have been canceled. A lot of these retainers are non-refundable. A lot of the venues are saying, hey, we can't do anything, and they're pretty much invoking certain clauses within the contract. So people are asking me if they have any kind of remedy or reliefs. The answer to that is yes and no. I can't really answer that question fully unless I see a contract. So for example, you could have a force majeure clause in your contract. You could have a refundable retainer clause in your contract. You could have a contract where it says that you are paying for in exchange for goods. So if you never receive those goods, then they have not fulfilled their portion of the contract. So that would be considered a breach of contract. You also have to take into consideration a lot of other things as well, maybe postponement, doing it at a different date, things like that. This is applying to weddings. As far as business interruption insurance, that's a completely different animal. And when I mean it's a completely different animal, that entails all kinds of other things that go into factoring how much money has been lost for the business, what the potential policy is for the business, any kind of loss of employment, any kind of loss of contracts, anything like that. There's a lot of different things you have to look at for business interruption insurance. And I can tell you right now, ladies and gentlemen, insurance companies will absolutely look for any opportunity they can to deny business interruption insurance right now, because they are going to be overwhelmed. And if they're going to be overwhelmed, they are going to be more apt to deny any and every case, because they can't do it. It would essentially bankrupt the insurance industry. So you got to kind of dot your I's and cross your T's with business interruption insurance, and be prepared to submit a claim that can be quantified, because if it's a totally subjective claim, chances are they're going to deny it, and they're going to say, look, man, when you come back with some tangible data here, then maybe we'll talk. But that's something I can definitely take a look at for you and tell you whether or not we think you have something there. But if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to talk to you about it, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. My name is David Salazar. Please stay safe out there, guys, and please join our Facebook group and check out our YouTube channel if you get the chance. We got a lot of useful information on there, and see y'all soon. Thanks.